Reading is magical. It's like opening a door to a world of endless possibilities. Each page you turn is a step into a new adventure, a new story, a new life. The magic of reading lies in its ability to transport you to places you've never been, to times you've never experienced, and to meet people you've never known. It takes you to different worlds. Whether it's a fantastical realm filled with dragons and wizards, or a historical setting where you can walk alongside great figures of the past, reading allows you to live 1,000 lives. You can be a hero, a detective, an explorer, or even a wizard. The only limit is your imagination. You meet new people and learn new things. Each character you encounter in a book becomes a part of you. Their stories, their struggles, their triumphs, they all leave a mark on your soul. Reading is a superpower because it expands your mind and your heart. It teaches empathy, understanding, and compassion. It's a way to see the world through someone else's eyes. It can change your life. A single book has the power to inspire, to motivate, and to transform. It can give you new perspectives, new ideas, and new dreams. It can be a source of comfort in difficult times, a friend when you're lonely, and a guide when you're lost. Imagine traveling the world without leaving your chair. Through the pages of a book, you can visit the bustling streets of Tokyo, the serene landscapes of the Swiss Alps, or the vibrant markets of Marrakesh. You can experience different cultures, taste exotic foods, and hear the sounds of far-off places. That's what reading can do. It opens up the world to you in ways you never thought possible. It's a journey of discovery, of wonder, and of endless possibilities. Each book is a new adventure waiting to be explored. You can explore ancient Egypt or visit outer space. The possibilities are endless. One moment you could be deciphering hieroglyphics in a pharaoh's tomb, and the next you could be navigating the stars in a spaceship. Reading allows you to transcend the boundaries of time and space. Reading is more than just entertainment. It's a way to learn and grow. It's a tool for personal development and self-improvement. It challenges your mind, broadens your horizons, and enriches your life. It's a way to learn and grow. Through reading, you can gain knowledge and insights that you can apply to your own life. You can learn new skills, discover new interests, and develop new passions. It's a lifelong journey of learning and growth. You can learn about history, science, and different cultures. Each book is a treasure trove of information waiting to be uncovered. You can delve into the mysteries of the universe, understand the complexities of human behavior, and appreciate the richness of diverse cultures. Reading makes you smarter and more understanding. It enhances your cognitive abilities, improves your vocabulary, and sharpens your critical thinking skills. It also fosters empathy and emotional intelligence, making you more attuned to the feelings and experiences of others. So, open a book and start your adventure today. You won't regret it. Dive into the pages and let the magic of reading take you on a journey you'll never forget. Whether you're looking for an escape, a new perspective, or a source of inspiration, you'll find it in the pages of a book. Happy reading. Reading has many benefits for your mind. It's like exercise for your brain. It keeps your mind sharp and focused. Reading can even help you in school or at work. When you read, you learn new words. This improves your vocabulary and communication skills. You can express yourself better in writing and speaking. Reading also reduces stress. It's a relaxing activity that can help you unwind after a long day. Curling up with a good book is a great way to escape from the pressures of daily life. Starting to read can be daunting, especially if you don't know where to begin. The sheer number of books available can be overwhelming, and the pressure to choose the right book can make the process even more intimidating. You might find yourself standing in a bookstore or library surrounded by countless titles, feeling unsure of what to pick. It's important to remember that everyone starts somewhere, and there's no right or wrong way to begin your reading journey. The key is to find something that genuinely interests you. Think about your hobbies, passions, and the topics you enjoy discussing. Whether it's a gripping mystery, a heartwarming romance, or an insightful nonfiction book, there's something out there for everyone. Don't feel pressured to dive into the classics or tackle complex novels right away. It's perfectly okay to start with something light and easy to read. The goal is to build a habit of reading and to enjoy the process. Start with something simple and enjoyable. A book that captures your interest and keeps you engaged will make the experience much more pleasant. Choose a book with short chapters and easy-to-understand language. This can help you build confidence and make reading feel less like a daunting task. Graphic novels and comics are also great options. They combine visual storytelling with text, making them an engaging and accessible choice for new readers. Visit your local library or bookstore. These places are treasure troves of knowledge and entertainment, and they offer a wide variety of books to choose from. Don't hesitate to ask for recommendations from the staff. Librarians and bookstore employees are usually passionate about books and can provide valuable insights based on your interests. They can help you find books that match your interests and reading level, making the selection process much easier and more enjoyable. Remember, the most important thing is to choose a book that you'll enjoy. Reading should be a pleasure, not a chore. It's about finding joy in the stories and information that books provide. Take your time to explore different genres and authors. You might be surprised by what captures your interest. The world of books is vast and varied, offering endless opportunities for discovery and enjoyment. So take a deep breath, pick up a book, and start your reading journey today. Happy reading! There are countless genres of books out there. Don't be afraid to explore different ones. You might surprise yourself with what you enjoy. If you like adventure, try fantasy or science fiction. If you prefer real-life stories, try biographies or memoirs. For a dose of romance, dive into contemporary romance or historical fiction. Don't limit yourself to one genre. Branch out and try something new. You might discover a hidden passion. Section 5. Creating a reading routine that works. Developing a reading routine can be a transformative experience, opening up new worlds and ideas. But how do you make it stick? So, consistency is key to developing a reading habit. Just like any other habit, reading regularly requires dedication and a bit of planning. It's really important to set aside a specific time each day for reading. This could be in the morning with your coffee, during a lunch break, or in the evening before bed. Setting an alarm can help remind you to take this time for yourself. Even, 15 to 20 minutes can make a difference. You don't need to read for hours on end. Short, consistent reading sessions can be just as effective in building a habit. Make reading a part of your daily routine. Integrate it into activities you already do. For example, you could read while having your morning coffee or while waiting for dinner to cook. You could read on your commute, during your lunch break, or maybe before bed. These small pockets of time can add up, making it easier to get through more books than you might expect. Find what works best for you and stick to it. Everyone's schedule and preferences are different, so it's important to find a time and place that feels right for you. Also, create a cozy reading nook. Having a dedicated space for reading can make the experience more enjoyable and help you look forward to your reading time. Find a comfortable spot in your home where you can relax and enjoy your book. This could be a comfy chair, a spot by the window, or even a corner of your couch. Make sure the lighting is good. Proper lighting can reduce eye strain and make reading more pleasant. A good desk lamp or a well-lit room can make a big difference. And try to minimize distractions. Turn off your phone, find a quiet place, and let yourself get lost in the pages of your book. This dedicated time can become a cherished part of your day. Another tip is to make a reading list. Having a list of books you want to read can keep you motivated and give you a sense of accomplishment as you check off each one. Consider joining a book club or finding a reading buddy. Discussing books with others can enhance your understanding and enjoyment of what you read. If you find it hard to sit down with a physical book, try using a reading app or listening to audiobooks. These can be great alternatives that fit into a busy lifestyle. Finally, take some time to reflect on what you've read. Writing in a journal or discussing the book with others can deepen your understanding and make the experience more rewarding. Remember, the goal is to enjoy reading and make it a fulfilling part of your life. With a little planning and consistency, you can create a reading routine that works for you. Section 6. Finding your tribe. Joining a book club. Joining a book club is a great way to stay motivated and connect with fellow readers. It provides a platform to discuss books and share your thoughts. Book clubs offer a sense of community and accountability. You're more likely to stick to your reading goals when you have others to share the journey with. Look for book clubs at your local library, community center, or online. Choose a club that aligns with your interests and reading preferences. Section 7. Overcoming reading slumps. Everyone experiences reading slumps from time to time. Don't beat yourself up if you're struggling to get through a book. Take a break and read something else. Sometimes all you need is a change of pace. Pick up a magazine, a comic book, or a shorter book. Don't be afraid to abandon a book if you're not enjoying it. Life's too short to read books that don't spark joy. Move on to something that captures your interest. Section 8. The gift of reading. Reading is a gift. It's a gateway to knowledge, entertainment, and personal growth. It opens up new worlds and expands your horizons. Through reading, you can learn about different cultures, perspectives, and ways of life. It fosters empathy and understanding. Reading is a lifelong journey of discovery. There's always something new to learn and explore. Embrace the joy of reading and reap its countless benefits. Section 9. Start your reading adventure today. Don't wait any longer to embark on your reading journey. Start today and discover the magic that awaits you within the pages of a book. Pick up a book that interests you, find a comfortable spot, and lose yourself in the world of reading. You won't regret it. Remember, reading is a journey, not a race. Take your time, enjoy the process, and let the stories transport you to new and exciting places.